Many teens, driving is a rite of passage they look forward to. Cars are expensive, and many teens end up with a hand-down. But is that always the best option? In our special Operation Safe Roads report, ABC 15's Angie Cayley breaks down what rookie drivers really need.
What I'm going to need from you today is I'm going to need you to take a picture. After you take your picture, you're going to go ahead and go to line D as in David, okay?
A license to drive is the key to freedom for teens. But it's also the source of anxiety for parents, and understandably so. According to the latest numbers from the CDC, 2,433 16 to 19-year-olds were killed in vehicle crashes in the U.S. in 2016. That equates to 6 people in that age group every day.
People always ask me when I'm teaching them, what can I go over the speed limit 10 miles an hour? They always ask, everybody asks that. I'm like, no, let's just do the speed limit. That's why it's posted that way.
Ernie Salazar opened Deer Valley Driving School 6 years ago. He says most newer cars have advanced technology that makes them safer for teens than anything their parents started out in. According to the Insurance Institute for Highway Safety, these are 4 points to think about when choosing a suitable vehicle for your teen. First, larger and heavier typically means safer. Look for a vehicle with high crash test ratings, also with electronic stability control. And finally, stay away from high horsepower.
Sometimes you can just have too much. And what I've noticed is sometimes when students, they master the vehicle really fast, that's when they probably shouldn't have a horsepower because they might abuse it.
But how much can you pay? The IIHS published a list of safe but affordable used vehicles starting at $2,000. Among the best options, a Volvo S80, Dodge Avenger, and Mitsubishi Outlander Sport. But Salazar says no bells and whistles and safety ratings can replace practice and mindfulness.
30 hours is a state requirement, 10 at night and 20 during the day. But I always recommend double that, for your team. The more they drive, the safer they're going to be, the more practice they have.
And if you're thinking about buying your teen a used car, you can plug in the VIN number on the government's website to make sure there are no recalls on that vehicle. In Phoenix, Angie Cayley, ABC 15, Arizona.